Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to check battery level for your headphones EDIFIER W830NB using your iOS device. So basically you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to create a widget, so just press and hold an empty space, then click Edit or Plus at the left top, Add Widget, now scroll down and click on Batteries. Now choose the best one widget for you, that's okay for me, and after you decide, click Add Widget. So you can check a battery level right here anytime, but make sure that your headphones is connected to your phone and it turn on. The second one is to use an application. Open it, and right here at the top we will have battery percentages. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!